Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You can run two WhatsApp accounts using WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business together. Install the standard WhatsApp for one number and WhatsApp Business for the other. Register each app with a different SIM number and verify via SMS or call. Many phones include a built-in dual apps or app clone feature for parallel apps. Enable that feature in settings, then clone WhatsApp and register the second number. Third-party app cloners can create a separate install, but need caution and permissions. Insert both SIM cards before setup and reboot the phone when prompted. Open System Settings to set the preferred SIM for SMS verification if needed. Install WhatsApp and register the first number normally with SMS or call verification. Open WhatsApp Business to register your second number and complete the verification process. Alternatively, use built-in app clone, dual apps, or secure folder to keep both installs separated for notifications and storage. Configure notification tones to tell accounts apart quickly and avoid message confusion. Backup each account separately to Google Drive or iCloud for safety and recovery. Check that each backup is tied to the correct phone number and account before clearing storage. Cloned apps may not support every feature and can affect battery life or stability on older phones. Avoid untrusted third-party cloners that request excessive permissions or root access. Do not share verification codes and enable two-step verification for extra security on both accounts. Regularly update both apps to receive security patches and feature improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.